Hey guys, I'm finally back with a brand new video. So today I'm making this video as my final project for my media production class, so shout out to my CM102 class. And of course, for all my lovely subscribers, this one is for you too. So today we're going to be making another mug cake recipe. This one is going to be a Confetti Mug Cake. I've made 2 other mug cake recipes, and at this point I should honestly just make a playlist because I plan on making so many more of these, because mug cakes are probably one of my favorite things to make because they're so simple and so easy to do, and it only takes you 5 minutes to make it. And all you need is a microwave. You don't even need a stove or an oven. This recipe is really great, really fun to make, and I think you guys are going to love this. So let's get started. The ingredients you will need to make this recipe is 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of milk, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 large egg yolk. So for this you need to separate the yolk from the white and make sure that you just have the yolk in the bowl because we're only using the yolk, we're not using the white. 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of rainbow sprinkles. And for decoration, I have some whipped cream, and I'm also going to be taking some extra rainbow sprinkles to top it off, but this is completely optional, but I just like to make my mug cakes look extra pretty, so I always top it with stuff. So first what we're going to do is we're going to take our unsalted butter and we're just going to scoop it into the mug. And then we're going to microwave it until it's all melted. This took me about 30 seconds to microwave. So now that our butter is completely melted, we can now add in the milk, vanilla extract, the egg yolk, and our white sugar. And then you can just take a fork and just mix this all together until it's all combined. Next, add in your flour and your baking powder, and then just mix that together until it's all combined. Next, I'm just going to take my rainbow sprinkles and I'm going to pour that in, and then you just stir that into the batter. So now you can just go ahead and throw your mug into the microwave, and you're going to microwave this cake for about 60 to 90 seconds. So I would start with 60 first and then add more time if it's needed. I always like to do the toothpick test, which is when you just stick a toothpick into the cake, and if the toothpick comes out clean, then that's how you know that your cake is ready, it's fully cooked. So this next step is totally optional, but like I said before, I just like to decorate my mug cakes. So I have some whipped cream. I'm just going to put some whipped cream on my cake. And then I'm just going to sprinkle some rainbow sprinkles on top to make it really pretty. And this is our beautiful finished Confetti Mug Cake. I love how this turned out. It's so pretty and so colorful, and the cake looked so fluffy and so good. I think this is the best mug cake recipe I've made so far, and I'm just so excited to try this. It looks so good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe because I will be posting again every Tuesday once all this craziness is over. And please leave any questions or suggestions in the comments because I do read all of your comments, and I was planning on actually making one of your guys' suggestions for this video, but unfortunately with all the craziness in the supermarkets, I was not able to get what I needed. I'm collecting all of your guys' suggestions, so definitely leave them in the comments if there's something you want to see me make, and I will do my best to make that happen. And go follow me on my Instagram and Twitter, which will be down in the description if you want to see some more awesome stuff. And yeah, see you guys soon. Bye!